First of all, starting with the beautiful name of Allah, who is the most merciful and compassionate. Hello guys, I hope you are doing perfect and fine as usual who is watching my video. So today I am back with another lesson for you guys. The lesson is about another modal verb. So without wasting of your precious time, so let's walk towards the topic. The topic is about could. First of all, I will tell you that what is could. Could is a modal auxiliary verb. If you want to know the meaning of modal auxiliary verbs, so you have to watch my first video regarding modal verb where I explained that what does it mean by modal verb. So go there, you will find the link of that video in the description below and go and watch it. So moving on from there, the next thing, which is definition about could. So simply we can say that the could is the past tense of can. Here you find another word which is can. If you want to know the usage of can, so go there and watch that video. You will find the usage of can as well. So here I have made few examples regarding could. So the first one example is, could you help me? Easily you can imagine from this example that what it is showing. So here, could you help me? This example shows to make a request to someone. If you put a glance on this example, so could is a word which is more polite form of can. Here in this example I used could instead of can. So let's suppose if you make the example with the help of can, the same example, that can you help me, so it is also shows the request. So but that one is the difference between both could you help me and can you help me. So the difference is that can you help me, it is the most informal form to make a request to someone, and could you help me, it is the polite form to make a request to someone. It shows more politeness than can. So moving ahead from there, here I have made another two examples regarding could. You could win the prize. So and the another one is you could arrive at exact time in case you get up early in the morning. So these both examples shows those situations which are possible to happen or which are possible to provoke. So these two examples shows the possibility. Simply you can say that it shows possibility. So that's all about could in shortened word. So before moving towards the full explanation regarding could, if you are new here on my channel and watching my video at first time, so go and click on the subscribe button and turn into white, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, because whenever I upload any new information regarding spoken English, so you people will receive a notification there. Do that minimum effort because it would be more beneficial and helpful for you guys in future, because here on this channel I am always uploading those lessons which are totally linked with daily routine conversation, and I am also sharing tips and tricks regarding your fluency in future, and it will make your fluency more better and faster than earlier, and it will make your sound more natural like native speaker. So what are you waiting for? Just do it if you want to make your fluency more better and want to make your sound more natural, if you want to grab the attention of public wherever you are speaking, at any platform or at anywhere. So just do it. Welcome back guys, thank you so much if you people are still being here with me. So let's move towards the remaining part of could. Here I have made few examples. So the main aim of this example is that it will make you able that how you would bring could in your own conversation. You can use could for those situations as well, like for past ability, for permission, for past possibility that didn't happen, for suggestion, and for uncertain possibility as well. So now I'm going to clear your idea with the help of these examples. Number first one, that I could play tennis when I was younger. So this example shows your past ability. Like from this statement you can imagine that when I was younger, so it shows your past ability. The next one that I have for you guys, that is for permission. You can also use could for permission. Could I use your mobile please? So it shows a permission, it take a permission from someone, this example. Now the another one that is for past possibility that didn't happen. Look at the example. The road could be blocked but the traffic police arrived on time. So if the traffic police didn't arrive on time, so the road would be blocked. But what happened? The traffic police arrived on time and they resolved everything and the road was not blocked. So I hope you got my point, that what I was conveying to you, it shows past possibility that didn't happen. Now the next one, that is for suggestion. Like a person is taking suggestion from you and he asked from you that what to do here. So maybe your example, maybe your statement would be like this, that we could have dinner outside today. Like a person is asking from you about dinner, so your suggestion would be like this, that we could have dinner outside today if you like, or what do you think? So you can use could as a suggestion. The last one situation regarding could is for uncertain possibility. So the example would be like this regarding uncertain possibility, like they could go at any time or they could go to the restaurant at any time. So that's all about could, which I shared with you guys. If you found this lesson is beneficial for you, so go and like this video and share it with others. So see you next time and see you with another important lesson. So thank you so much guys. If you are still being here with me, good luck and wish you best of luck. Goodbye. Take care of yourself a lot.